Good morning everyone. Let us revise the previous class. In a previous class we have learned the BODMAS rule, is it? So what is the meaning of BODMAS? B stands for bracket, O for of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. What is the meaning of BODMAS? So involving 4 operations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division is given at the same time. The bracket, parentheses, brackets are given. That time we have used the BODMAS rule. Which one is first prefer? First prefer to the BODMAS. B. B means bracket. It consists of 4 types, is it? First one is vinculum or bar, and second one parentheses. And another one square bracket, and then brackets, curly brackets. So 4 types. So first prefer to the vinculum, second prefer to the parentheses. Okay, parentheses are small brackets, and third prefer to the brackets. Brackets means the curly brackets, third prefer to the curly bracket, and final one is square bracket or big bracket. And next move to the of half of 2, half of 3. Okay, so of means multiplication, and then go for the division after. Next prefer to the multiplication, and finally go for addition and subtraction. I hope you all understand the concept of BODMAS. Today we are going to learn about the patterns. Okay, what is the meaning of pattern? Pattern arises due to special arrangement numbers associated with the geometrical figures. Okay, geometrical figures. What are the geometrical figures? Square, rectangle, triangle. These are all called the geometrical figures. Okay, so geometrical figures, numbers are of different kinds, such as natural numbers, and another one of the type is polynomial numbers. Okay, polynomial or polygons numbers, polygons numbers. Okay, so first one, natural numbers. So natural number pattern, see the example, 1 into 9 plus 2, we get the value was 11, and next 1 2. Okay, the pattern increased 1 2, that is 12 multiplied 9 plus 3, we get the 111. So it's one type of pattern. And see the another one of the pattern, 9 into 9, 9 9s are 81, 81 plus 7 is 88. And next one, 98 multiplied by 9 added, the reduce the number from the 7, that is 6, is equal to 888. And next one, 987. So added this place is 7, and next one is added this place is 6, and next one is 5. After one, 987654. Here the pattern is multiplied by 9, and here reduce the value of 3. Reduce the value from 3 to 1. Okay, so value is 2, and get the value 888. How many times? 7 times of 8 we get there. This is the one of the pattern. Okay, now say the polygonal numbers. Okay, so already you know the triangular numbers. Okay, so first pattern is 1, and next triangular pattern, it has 3 dots, and next triangular pattern has how many dots? 6 dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6. And the next one of the triangle pattern, the first one, and next one of the pattern, so it's have 6 after 7 8 9 10. So the pattern of number is 1 comma 3 comma 6 comma 10. This is one of the triangular pattern. Okay, and next one, square pattern. The square pattern has a squaring the values, squaring the dots. Okay, so square numbers 1, and next 2 squares 4. So 1 2 3 4, and next 3 square, 3 squares 3 multiplied itself 2 times. So 3 3s are 9. So the square pattern is, and next one is 4 squares. So the pattern is 1 4 9 16. And third one of the pattern, pentagonal numbers. Pentagon means 5. Okay, 5 sides. So see first one and next one 5, and the pattern is 1, 5, 12, etc. Okay, and final one hexagonal numbers. So 1, 6. Hexagon means a 6 has, it has 6 sides. Okay, so 6 edges. Edges are sides are equal. Okay, so 1, 6 after 15. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so the sequence is 1, 6, 15. I hope you all understand the concept of patterns. Okay, now see the exercise 2.3. Now see the exercise 2.3. Okay, the first one, simplify the following numerical expression. Simplify the following numerical expression. So already you know well, more problem do it in the exercise 2.2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is homework. Okay, so difficult problems now do this from the 6th problem. Okay, so 6th one, 54 minus the square bracket 26 minus the curly bracket 12 minus 3 of 4 is given. Okay, so first refers to the brackets. Okay, first refers to the brackets. So first simplify the brackets values, the curly brackets. Okay, so 54 minus the square bracket 26, that is a big bracket. Okay, so 26 minus, simplify in between which are the operation are there, off and minus. Okay, so first refers to the off. So 12 minus 3, off means multiplication of 4, close the curly bracket and close the square bracket. Okay, so 54 minus 26 minus the curly bracket. So simplify these values. 12 minus 3 4s are 12. Okay, so 12 minus 12 will be 0. So 54 minus 26 minus 0. Okay, so 26 minus 0 is 26. So 54 minus 26, what is the value? 28. Here write of 3 into 4 is equal to 12, and next bracket simplify, and then in this place write subtraction. (54 minus 26 equal to 28). Okay, I hope you are understood the problem. Okay, now move the 7th one of the problem. 7th one, 108 plus the square bracket of 96 minus the curly bracket of 13 plus 15, divide 3, we close the curly bracket and big bracket. Okay, new book is not given, you will put the big bracket on that side. Okay, right? Solution. So first refer to the brackets. So bracket first refer to the curly bracket. Final one is big bracket as the 4th one of the option. Okay, so first prefer to the curly bracket. In a bracket, first refer to the curly bracket. Okay, so 108 plus the square bracket 96 minus the curly bracket of, simplify in between of which operations are there. So positive and division is given. So first prefer to the division by using the BODMAS rule. Okay, so 13 plus 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3, what is the value? 5. Okay, close the curly bracket and close the square bracket also. In here write curly bracket curly bracket at the same time prefer to the division. Division 15 divided 3 is equal to 5. And then 108 plus 96 minus, simplify these two values, 13 plus 5, 18. Close that. Addition. Next we prefer to the big brackets. So 108 plus, simplify, 96 minus 18. What is the value? 76. 96. So it's not possible. Borrow from here. Here 8. So 7, 16 minus 8 is 8. So value is 78. Okay, now added these two values. Here write subtraction. And next the final, go for the addition. So 108 plus 78. What is the value? 8 plus 8, 16, and 1, 8. And answer is 186. Here write addition of 108 plus 78 is equal to 186. Okay. Now see the 8th problem. Eighth problem, 37 plus square bracket 15 minus 8 plus 2. 15 minus 8 plus 2. Difference, the bar, the vinculum is given 6 minus 5. And close the square bracket. Okay. So first refer to the bracket. From the brackets, first refer to the vinculum. So 37 plus the square bracket of 15 minus 8 plus 2 minus, so 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay. Close the square bracket. Here write bar. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Okay. So 37 plus 15 minus, next to simplify in between values. Okay. So BODMAS rule. Here addition and subtraction is there. So first prefer to the addition. So add 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. Minus 1. Here write addition. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Okay. Now simplify in between of the big bracket. So 37 plus, so 15 minus, both having the same sign. So subtract 15 minus, same sign will be added and put the same sign. Okay. So minus 11. So 37 plus 15 minus 11. What is the value? 4. Here write subtraction. 15 minus 11 is equal to 4. Okay. Now add these two values, 37 plus 4, 41. Here write addition. Okay. I hope you all understood the 8th problem. Now 9th one. What is the 9th problem? 124 plus 39 minus 18 plus 3 minus 6 minus 5 the bar. Then close the curly brackets and close the square bracket or big bracket. So first preference to the bracket, inside having the curly bracket. So move to the inside of the curly bracket, in between having the bar. So first prefer to the bar. So 124 plus 39 minus the curly bracket 18 plus 3 minus 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, close the curly bracket and close the square bracket also. So 124 plus 39 minus, so simplify the curly bracket values. Okay, here first prefer to the addition. Okay, so add these two values. 18 plus 3 is 20. 21 minus 1. Here write bar 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, and here addition 18 plus 3 is equal to 21. 124 plus 39 minus 21 minus 1, 20. Okay. Subtraction 21 minus 1 is equal to 20. Now consider the square brackets. Square brackets now. So 39 minus 20 is 19. Then our bracket right. Subtraction 39 minus 20 is equal to 90. Okay, now added these two values. What we get? Add. So 9 plus 4, 13, 1, 4. So 143. 124 plus 19 is equal to 143. Okay. Now see the 10th problem. What is given? 10th one, 67 plus 9, 20 minus 24 divided by 8. So as usual, first prefer to the bracket. So square bracket is given. So simplify within a bracket values. So 67 plus 9 of is given. Okay. Simplify it. So in between having the two operations, subtraction and division is given. So first prefer to the division. So 24 divided by 8. 20 minus, what is the value of 24 minus, 24 divided 8, division. Three times. Okay. So 24 divided 8 can written by 3. Okay. Now 67 plus 9. Now prefer to the subtraction. So 20 minus 3 is equal to 17. Here write 17. Now multiply of is given. So multiply these two values. 67 plus 17, 9s are 9 cents are 63, 6, 9, 1s are 9 plus 153. Here write of. Their meaning is of. Okay, here multiply. Okay, so multiplication. So 9 into 17 is equal to 153. 153. Now added these two values. Okay. What is the value? 0, 7 plus 3, 10, 0, 1. So 6, 12 ones. So 220. So answer for this problem 220. Okay. Now 11th one. 5 1/2 of 2 by 3 minus 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2 divide 5 by 11. So first refer to the bracket values. So 5 1 by 2 of simplify between of the parenthesis values. Okay. So here two different unlike fractions, that is unlike fractions are given. So in this place you should find out the LCM. Okay. So what is the LCM of 3 and 5? 3 and 5 is 15. Okay. So here 2 by 3, the denominator, which number multiply we get the value of denominator as 15, 5. The same number also multiply the numerator, and here 3 by 5, the denominator multiplicated by 3, at the same time the numerator also multiplicated by 3. Okay. So plus 1 by 2 divide 5 by 11. So 5 1 by 2 of simplify 10 minus 9 by 3 5s are 15 plus 1 by 2 divide 5 by 11. So 5 1 by 2 of 1 by 15 plus 1 by 2 divide 5 by 11. Now here of which are the symbols involving in this problem of addition and division is given. By the BODMAS rule, first refer to the of. Okay. So here mixed fraction is given. So change to the improper fraction. So 10, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11 by 2 of multiplication of 1 by 15 plus 1 by 2 divided 5 by 11 of so what is the value? 11 by 2 into 1 by 15 is equal to 11 by 30. 11 by 30. Here brackets. Eleven by 2. Now multiply 11 by 2 into 1 by 15 is 11 by 30 plus 1 by 2 divide 5 by 11. Now by using the BODMAS rule, refer to the division. So 11 by 30 plus division 1 by 2, the fraction of division. Okay. So division of fraction by a fraction. What we do? We multiply the fraction by the reciprocal of the other fraction. So what is the reciprocal of 5 by 11? 11 by 5. Okay. So now multiply 11 by 30 plus 11 by 10. Okay. 11 by 10. Here write division. So half into 5 by 11 is equal to 5 by 11 by 5, 11 by 10. Okay. Now here addition. So addition of a fraction is given. So unlike fractions are there. So we will change to the like fraction. So in this place you should find out the LCM. So LCM of 10 and 30 is 30. Okay. So 11 by 30 plus here numerator and denominator multiplied by 3. Okay. Get 11 by 10 30 plus 33 by 30. Added value 44 by 30. Here write addition. Addition of 11 by 30 plus 11 by 10 is equal to 44 by 30. Okay, it cancel in two table, is it? 20 to 15. So it can written in the mixed fraction 15. 15 ones are 15 plus 7, 22 by 15. So answer for this problem is 1 7 by 15 is the answer. 1 7 by 15 is the answer. Okay. I hope you are understand the today concept, patterns and exercise problems also. Now you will write the homework in this place. Exercise 2.3, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, 5 problems only given. Okay, everyone should complete and send to me. Thank you, students.